Today we will solve the numerical on the series resonance of the subject of your circuit theory or the network analysis. Okay, so this numerical is a series RLC circuit connected with 220 volt 50 hertz supply system. Maximum current is 0.314 ampere system. The voltage drop across the capacitor is 800 volt. So find the circuit constant. So what we should think in the circuit constant? So circuit constant, maybe you are the RLCs, maybe you are the reactances, maybe you are the impedances. So here the unknown parameters which we need to calculate is nothing but you are the RLC, reactance is the XC as well as the impedance. How we can start? First of all, always be remember whatever is given in the numerical, just note down, then start with the unknown parameter which is you need to calculate. So given parameters are Vs is equals to 220 volt, that is the supply voltage. Secondly, frequency is given of a 50 hertz. Maximum current is given of a 0.314 ampere, and your the voltage drop across the what you can say the capacitor is nothing but your the 800 volt. What you need to calculate? You need to calculate the R, the L, the C, the reactance, the impedance. So these parameters you need to calculate. How we can do it? At resonance. Note down the condition at resonance. So first you will find as number one, you can say the resonance frequency 50 hertz is given. So what you need to calculate? The impedance. So that how it is possible? We know very well I is equals to V by R or V by Z. Okay. So here we can take as a V by Z. But which is this current? This current is the maximum current. So you need to note down the max term, that is important, by Z. But here we need to calculate the impedance. So V by I max. So what is my voltage? My voltage is Z is equals to 220 volt divided by 0.314. So I am getting here 700.64. The unit is ohm. Just cross verify this with the help of the calc, this answer. So note down here at resonance, we know very well the R is equals to Z is equals to 700.64 ohm. So R and Z are equal. Now the second parameter is nothing but voltage drop across what you can say, or you can say the reactances. So second you can find as this is the first, that is nothing but the impedance. Second is nothing but V is equals to IZ, or you can say V is equals to I reactance, that is nothing but the capacitive reactance. Okay, so what is my VC, voltage drop across the capacitor, is the 800, and what is my I? 0.314. So unknown parameter is the XC. So in this way you can calculate XC is equals to 2547.7 ohm. Okay, capacitive reactance. Now in this way you can calculate the capacitor, and we know very well the capacitor can be calculated as what we can say C is equals to 1 by omega XC. Okay, or omega is equals to 1 by XC likewise. Okay, XC is equals to, you can say, or 1 by omega C. So in this way this C will become here and 1 by omega XC. So what is my omega? My omega is 1 by 2 pi into F. What is my X? X is nothing but the 50, that is the resonance frequency. What is my X? 2547.7. Okay, so in this way the capacitor will be 1.249 microfarad. So you can cross verify this answer with the help of the calc. The next parameter you can calculate, that is nothing but your the inductor with the help of the resonance frequency. So here this is the third parameter, you can say R we have calculated, R and Z, and this last is nothing but your the with the help of resonance frequency 2 pi root of LC. So in this way the inductor squaring on both the sides, just note down here, squaring on both the side, you can calculate inductor is equal to 1. This L will come here divided by 4 pi square C into F0 square. Okay, so what is that? 4 pi square into, what is my C? 1.24 10 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, and F0 square, that is a 50 square. So in this way you will calculate the inductor 8.112 Henry. So means what we can say, first we have calculated, that is nothing but the I max. Second, we have calculated with the help of the resonance condition, that is nothing but R is equals to Z. Third is nothing but voltage drop across the capacitor, you can say, with the help of this formula. Again we have calculated the capacitive reactance. Next is the capacitor with the help of this formula. With the help of the resonance frequency, we have calculated the inductor.